Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use GearUp Booster to fix lag and lower your ping. So the first thing we need to do is go to the App Store or your App Store, search for GearUp Lower Lag Game Booster. Once you find it, simply download it and then open it up. Once it's in the interface, you'll see a list of popular games like PUBG Mobile, Mobile Legends, Roblox, and more. To apply a boost, you must already have the game downloaded and installed on your device. So let's say we want to improve performance in PUBG Mobile. All you have to do is tap the blue boost button next to the game's icon. After tapping boost, a window will appear to select server. You have two main options: the auto select. The app will automatically detect the fastest and the most stable server for you. And the manual configuration, you can manually choose the region closest to you to ensure the lowest possible ping. GearUp Booster offers a smart server selection that minimizes lag using exclusive technology. Keep in mind that some specific regions or routes may require a PIP subscription, so the app often offers free trials or limited time discounts to access global servers and unlimited boosting time. And that's it.